Radiation. It's something we hear about in movies, in the news, and even in science class. But what exactly does radiation do to the human body, and why is it so dangerous? To understand how radiation affects us, we need to know a little about what it is. Radiation is energy that travels in waves or particles, and it exists all around us in different forms. Some types of radiation are low energy, like visible light and radio waves, which are generally safe. But high-energy radiation, like X-rays and gamma rays, can have serious effects on our cells. When high-energy radiation enters the body, it can collide with molecules in our cells, especially with our DNA. DNA is our cell's blueprint, guiding everything from cell growth to repair. Radiation can break the chemical bonds in DNA, causing mutations or damage that the cell may not be able to repair. In low doses, the body's cells can sometimes repair the damage and life goes on. But if the radiation exposure is high or happens over a long period, the damage can be too much for the body to handle. Damaged DNA can lead to cells growing uncontrollably, which is how cancers and tumors can develop. Radiation can affect different parts of the body depending on the dose and the type of exposure. Skin burns, nausea, fatigue, and hair loss are some of the more immediate symptoms of high radiation exposure. High doses of radiation, like those from nuclear accidents, can cause what's called acute radiation sickness, which can be life-threatening. One of the biggest concerns with radiation exposure is that the damage can last a long time. Some radiation-induced changes in cells might not show up for years, increasing the risk of cancer or other long-term health issues even after the exposure has stopped. But it's not all bad news. Radiation is also used for good purposes. In medicine, controlled doses of radiation are used in X-rays to diagnose issues, and in radiation therapy to target and kill cancer cells. In these cases, the benefits often outweigh the risks. So, radiation can be both helpful and harmful. While high levels can be dangerous, small, controlled amounts have valuable uses. Understanding how radiation affects our body helps us use it safely and avoid unnecessary risks. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.